Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to distribute a Canva newsletter via email. Whether you are providing updates to your subscribers or making a major announcement, this guide makes the entire process simple. Let's get started. First, open your specific Canva design. Once your layout is finalized, move your cursor to the top right of the screen and click the Share button. This opens a menu with several options. Select Download from the list. It is vital to choose the correct file type here. For emails, select the PNG format, as it maintains image quality and works well with most email providers. After selecting PNG, click the Download button to save the file to your device. We will also generate a sharing link. Go back to the Share button and click it again. This time, look for the Public View Link option. Select it, and then click Create Public View Link to generate a unique URL for your project. Once it appears, click Copy to save it to your clipboard. Now, let's head over to Gmail to send the newsletter. Open your account and click Compose to start a new draft. Enter the recipient's email and an interesting subject line to capture their attention. To place your PNG image into the message, click the Insert Photo icon in the toolbar. Select Upload, then Browse, and locate the file on your computer. This embeds the design directly into the email body for a great visual impact. Next, we will add the link to your Canva project. Click the Insert Link icon in the composition window. In the box that pops up, paste the public link you copied earlier. Click Apply to finalize the link. Give your email a final look to ensure it is polished and complete. You are now ready to distribute your Canva newsletter. Just hit Send when you are satisfied. By following these instructions, you can use Canva and your email platform to create stunning, professional newsletters. Your audience will be impressed by the stylish delivery. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.